Hello and welcome back. Today's little video I'm going to show you how to move the outer lock to replace it on a 1973 to 75 bay window column. It's a little bit different than the last 68 to 69 video I made previously, as it's held in a little bit different, a little bit more tricky I'd say this one is. Here is the tool you'd need, and I've bent a piece of metal, it's quite strong, into a hook shape, and then I've ground the end off to a point. What you need to do is put the hook behind the barrel. It's about level where the end of that pressing is there, what says Newman. You feel around with the end of the hook till you find there's like a tiny little hole. Once it sits in the hole, I think that might be it. You'll feel when you pull it, you can feel the flex of the spring of it. Right, I found the hole and I can feel it pulling the spring of the switch back. I don't have the key for this switch, so what I've done, I've got a little screwdriver with a tiny hook on the end. I place that in the hole of the switch, and I want to try and do this one-handed, it's a bit awkward. There you go. Place it into the hole. Now, pull it, it's a bit awkward doing it one-handed. And pull it to the switch. There we go. It's come in. There we go. So the switch pulls out. There we go. And I'll see if I can get the hook back in, and I'll show you the tiny little hole it's pressing against. Bear with me a second. See it there? That's me. That's the little tiny hole in the back, and that's the hook pressing through, pressing against that spring there. See that metal spring on the side next to the writing? That's what you're pressing with this with the hook. To refit, see this bit here that moves? That is the steering lock. That needs to be in the position to fit the barrel back in, otherwise it will not fit. So what you do is push that in, then get a screwdriver from this side and wedge it behind to hold the steering lock in the in position. There we go. See the screwdriver's wedging the steering lock in the off position. See, there we go, it's flush. So get the new barrel, so pretend this is your new barrel, line it up on the spline, see the spline here, and the numbers on it, that spline goes in there, in there, and then just go, push it in, done. Now remove the screwdriver, that lets the steering lock go back out, and there we go, so the steering lock's up a little bit there, in the column, and there we go, you fitted your new ignition. Away you go. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe, and keep an eye on our channel for upcoming videos. Thanks, bye.